I get to it next week. I get to it tomorrow. I'll do it this, and you just never get to it. Well, guess what? You ain't getting closer to that $100,000 salary either. Procrastination delays goals. All right. So Abraham Lincoln said, give me 6 hours to chop down the tree. I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. It says, out of all the reasons why we fail to achieve our goals, none are as deadly as procrastination. Yes, procrastination. Look, I'm not going to sit here and act like I wasn't the procrastination king at once upon a time in my life, because I was. Procrastination will do you in damn near every single time, man. Like I say, a lot of y'all have been talking this crap about wanting to get into tech and get certified all year long. And guess what? Y'all been procrastinating, coming up with excuses, looking at twerk videos on YouTube and TikTok all day long. Like you haven't been doing what you were supposed to do, man. You just been procrastinating. I get to it next week. I get to it tomorrow. I'll do it this, and you just never get to it. Well, guess what? You ain't getting closer to that $100,000 salary either, especially for those of you who aren't making that type of money. So the longer you keep dragging this thing out, the longer it's going to take for you to actually reach that magical 6-figure salary that attracted you to IT in the first place, right? So you can keep playing these games, but guess what? Myself, Keep It Techie, LS3, we all going to keep cashing these $100,000 paychecks while you out there talking about what you want to do. You out here talking about when you going to cash them. Well, stop talking about when you going to cash them and actually go out there and start cashing them, right? Go get certified, man. I'll be showing y'all videos. Matter of fact, in moving into 2024, I might start doing more videos where I'm just on Indeed. And we're going to go by city by city. You're going to tell me the city you live in. I live in Charlotte. I live in Atlanta. I live in Dallas. And we're going to go to your city and we're going to pull up all the damn jobs in your area that's paying 6 figures in tech or can put you on a path to making 6 figures in tech. And then we're going to ask you, how come you ain't got this job yet? What's your problem? Like, we need to really figure these things out. So I think that's part of what we're going to do in 2024. Look, I don't want to come on here and give you all these, everything's going to be all right. Just have faith, all these happy motivational. I mean, it's part of that is, look, I am here for the motivational crap. But remember, I'm ex-military. I was in the Army for 13 years. I used to talk to my soldiers like they weren't all the time as a form of motivation. And I feel like sometimes I got to talk to y'all that way. I think I got to get to that point to get y'all to kind of realize, like, man, y'all are wasting a lot of time, man. Y'all sitting here watching motivational speeches on YouTube all day long, and that's fine and dandy for the content creator like myself. But at some point, you got to actually go out there and do the damn work so that you can get the 6 figures and go out there and just start making it rain at the strip club or whatever the hell it is you like to do with your life. You have to actually do the damn work. Stop procrastinating. Just get the crap done. These are the things I believe that have caused you to go the entire year of 2023 and not get certified. While you haven't gotten that job, that illustrious 6-figure job you've been telling everybody that you're going to get. It's because you've been out there bullshitting the entire 2023. I don't want to see y'all out there bullshitting anymore. Get your shit together so you can get certified and go get a motherfucking job. Excuse my language. I know I got youngins watching these videos, but damn it, somebody got to say the crap. Don't go another year and you ain't got certified and you ain't got no job. Especially when they got jobs all over the damn place out here. When me and Professor Black Ops did our live stream about 2 weeks ago, we said that there were like over 700,000 unfilled cybersecurity jobs in the US alone. 700,000. That means you could have went out there and got a job, worked it for about 4 or 5 months over here and went and got another job doing something else over here. Like, you had opportunities, so you could have had multiple jobs in the year 2023. I don't want to see y'all rolling into 2024 repeating the same crap you did in 2022 and 2023. You're just sitting around watching these videos. And look, I appreciate every single view and every single subscriber that comes here. I appreciate that. And I damn sure appreciate all y'all who sign up for my channel memberships. I definitely appreciate all y'all. But at some point, you got to go get certified so you can get a job. We got to get to that point in the conversation. So I'm hoping that this serves as some type of motivation. I got to revert back into Sergeant G over here so that you can actually take all this wonderful knowledge I put out there, LS3 puts out there, Keep It Techie puts out there, Professor Black Ops, Before the Billions. You take all this information and go apply that so you can go get a goddamn job, because we want to see you win. We want to see you fill your bank accounts up with money, man. We want to see you get upward mobility. I don't want to sit here and have to go through another year of listening to reasons and excuses as to why you didn't get certified when all the knowledge is out there. It's just up to you to do it. That's all I came on here to say, man. Probably next week I might do another live stream and it'll be more positive with less curse words. I'll give you the fluffy, you can do it speeches. But right now we got to reflect on what the hell happened over 2023. Why didn't you get certified? So anyways, that's my speech, man. Hopefully you felt motivated. I felt motivated. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Wu-Tang Clan, you know what I'm saying, for helping to get me motivated out in these streets, man.